Waterproof.
Oh, nice.
This is awesome! Ollie's so fun! Oh, yeah, there we go.
Yeah, it looks really cool. Whatever you did to it. Yeah, you can see the water. It's like.
Yeah, Sean. Cruise.
How do you get such good abs?
Coming around here. We're cruising today. Feeling really good. And you're going up for standing. It's good, man.
Oh, you can set. How's that? 27 up. That's good. Feel better? Probably won't notice much this time. Yeah. Yeah.
Carve the fuck up. Smashing happiness.
Holding it yesterday was 39.25. 2 hours, 2 hours 4. You're checking frames with cracks. A lot of bracket cracks.
Stars are so beautiful tonight. I don't know if you can see them, but I can clearly see them all. I mean, it's so giving to speaking with people at the festival, because there are like a lot of people that struggle in their lives. They need help, you know. And they got help for themselves. They took care of it. They knew what has been and was what they must do, you know. And I just feel in my heart I have to help people. I feel it so deep. I really want to make more people feel good. Like, love their life, find friends, enjoy stars, enjoy the grass, just enjoy life. Love you guys. Smashing in the happiness.